Check this out. It's a Lucid. Wants 122,000. Never seen one of these up close and personal before. But yeah, interesting that these can't be that old. I think Lucid these just came out not that long ago. I guess he's not too happy with it. He or she is not too happy with this car, so it's out here for sale. Well, I'm back here at the Sierra College Auto Fair. So they do this every weekend, rain or shine. Put a bunch of stuff out for sale. So just happened to be passing by, so let's see if there's anything interesting for sale. Not a lot of motorcycles this week. Usually I get a ton of motorcycles, but looks like this week's a little light on motorcycles. So a lot of people out today. Let's go see what's in the lot. Ooh, I see a Porsche for sale. Looks like a 944 or 924. Let's go check that out. Yep, looks like 944. Not a turbo, but let's see what they're asking for. 10.5. Wow. I know these are starting to go up in value, but I think the turbo is going up a little higher than the normally aspirated one. But these body style is starting to grow on me a little bit. I think it'd be a nice car, nice addition to the stable, but 10.5 is a little rich for me. Got a Rivian for sale already. Guess they didn't like it that much. Wonder if he's gonna get the Tesla Cybertruck. I haven't seen one of these. I see them on the street a lot, but I've never seen one for sale. There's a few Teslas out there for sale. What does he want for this? Holy mackerel, 87,000. I guess it's a launch edition model. Never sat in one, never been inside one. But whew, that is a rich car, rich truck, but looks pretty cool. It's a Harley Davidson LiveWire for sale here. I test rode one of these in an earlier video. They're pretty nice. So interesting to see that it's for sale. 25,000. Got a Triumph 09 Daytona 675 for sale. I know my friend was looking for another Daytona. He wrecked his Daytona, so I wonder if he'd be interested in this one. I'll just take down this information for him. Yeah, Triumph Daytona. Looks pretty nice. I like the color. Well, here's a interesting car. It's a 1969 Nissan Patrol. Owner wants 28,000 for it, 40,000 miles. But you don't see a whole lot of these out here. So this is similar to a Toyota FJ, but it's a Nissan, and looks pretty clean. I think it's got a new paint job on it, but it wasn't a total strip down, because I could see a little bit of overspray around the rubber. So they didn't take the windows out to do the paint job. You can see here a little cracking rubber. I would have replaced all that rubber, but man, it's sure an interesting car. Looks pretty clean on the inside. I think I was talking to somebody and they were telling me that these are really starting to go up in value. just like all the other 4x4s. Toyotas are untouchable, Land Rovers are astronomical, and the Chevys and the Ford Broncos are really starting to go up in value. So this might be the last 4x4 that's an affordable classic before they start going up in value. So anyway, 28,000. Wonder if I should add this to the stable. Cool El Camino. Man, 1375. What year is it? 86. El Camino with the cover, but looks like it's in really good shape. Really nice condition. But man, people are asking a lot of money for their cars nowadays, but it's really nice condition. Really nice condition. There might be a potential project car. It's a Toyota MR2. Paint's a little rough, but the inside looks pretty decent. It's asking for 9,000. It's a 91, 183,000 miles, and important things, it's a standard transmission, so it could be interesting. All the body's straight, but the paint's faded a little bit. It's hard to see because it's white, but that paint needs a little bit of touch-up. But for 9,000, I don't know. It's got the T-top, which is my favorite. Love the T-top. But this could be an interesting. I know the values on these are going up, so this might be a time to try to buy low and then hold on to it. Whoa, check out this Pontiac TransAm. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's a beautiful car. Beautiful car. Too bad I can't get nice colors. Got a nice paint job on it, but it's underneath this shade, so I can't get sunlight on it. But man, this Pontiac TransAm, the 455 high output. So I can get you. I can't really see inside, but geez, it's beautiful. White with the blue on it. Let's see if we can get a shot of the interior. I love that blue leatherette. Gorgeous car. Absolute gorgeous car. I don't think it's here for sale, because I'd buy that in a heartbeat. But beautiful car. Check out this Cadillac just sitting out here in the parking lot. Wonder if it's a Eldorado, but gorgeous. Oh, it's got the little tiki doll in the front. White leatherette interior. Red hot Cadillac. My guess is it's an Eldorado. Can't guess on the year, but God, that's a beautiful car. Fantastic. Love seeing these cars on the road. It looks like he drives it. It's not a garage queen, so he drives this. It's really nice.